Hi there, this is Chandni, and it is my utter delight to welcome a very eminent personality in tow here with us. Welcome, sir. May we know your good name as well as your company name here?
Chandni, this is YP Singh, and I work for Finesta Building Systems, primarily in the area of design and technology and operations.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much. We would like to ask you, according to you, what are the latest trends in the industry and what is your contribution to the same?
Chandni, in the last 15 years, if I talk about, that's the experience with the fenestration industry I have. And I've seen a sea change in the way the things have been in the market. So my experience can be primarily on the facade side of it. Mm, Not really facade, I would say limited to windows and doors, not the whole gamut of facade. And the way things have grown in terms of size of these windows over last 15 years has been beyond my capability to meet up the market expectation. The architects and the facade consultants have always been pushing the limits, I would say, and it was always a challenge for us to design something to their expectation levels. I don't know where the industry is going and what it is going to be there in the next 5-10 years. Uh, Lately, what you have seen is the complete facade is of glass. Things are actually hidden, you don't see any members. It is only transparent what they want to have as a building facade. For windows and doors, it is slightly difficult for us to comprehend and design a product which does not have any visible parts. There are opaque parts, of course, in the windows and doors. And this challenge will remain in the industry. So this is a fight which we will always try to meet the expectation of the architects. Let's see how far we can go on this.
I would really like to know how has your experience and journey been like with our brand LGF Sysmac?
Again, the association with LGF has been almost 15-16 years since I started the journey with this fenestration industry. And the first set of machines I'll be delighted to share was from LGF. And it's been 15 years, it is still working quite well, quite robust machines. And I think that point of time we did not realize it, but yes, today when you look back to the decision which was taken up, I think that was one of the good decisions in terms of the machines which we have. The interesting part of LGF which I like is they actually do not make machines, but they understand machines quite well in terms of what is going to suit for what applications. So they have a mix of bouquet where you can have a very high-end CNC operated machines as well. As well, if somebody wants to have a very low-cost machines just to start up something, they have an option on that as well. So in the last 15 years now we have migrated from a manual machine to CNC machines, and I'm really happy with the LGF team providing solutions every time we come up with a new thought process of automation or improving the productivity or wherever the problem is. So they have been always been helpful in terms of finding the right machine to suit our application.